Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer exports using Adobe Media Encoder, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Media Encoder on your computer. Import the export files you want to transfer. Drag and drop the files into the queue panel. Select the desired export format from the Format drop-down menu. Adjust any necessary export settings, such as resolution and bitrate. If you need to customize the settings further, click on the preset name. In the Settings window, make any adjustments according to your project needs. Click OK to save the changes and return to the queue panel. Choose the output location by clicking on the output file name. Browse to the folder where you want to save the exported files. After selecting the folder, click Save to confirm your output path. Review the queue to ensure all your files are set up correctly. To start the export process, click the green play button in the upper right corner. Monitor the progress in the queue panel as Adobe Media Encoder processes the files. Once the export is complete, check the output folder for your files. Verify that the exported files are in the correct format and functionality. If necessary, make any additional adjustments and repeat the export process. Your files are now successfully transferred and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.